Ramzan is just about to begin, and there is only one question on our mind and heart: what should we make for iftar that's easy and super tasty? So, a warm welcome to all of you to Ramzan series 2026. Today, we are going to make a crispy, juicy, and super easy chicken samosas. And when these are served with tamarind, green chili, coriander, and mint chutney, their taste and enjoyment becomes double fold. First, we will prepare the stuffing. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is lightly heated, add finely hand chopped chicken. Do not grind the chicken in a mixture to make a keema. Just roughly chop it by hand like this. Now add half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon black pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. After adding all the spices, fry the chicken while mixing well on medium-high flame. Once the spices are nicely fried, lower the flame, let the chicken cook with the spices on low flame. There is no need to add water. The chicken will release its own moisture, which is enough to cook it and blend the spices well. After cooking on low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes, you can see that the chicken is well cooked and there is very little moisture left at the bottom. At this stage, we will add 1 cup finely sliced cabbage, 1 cup capsicum cut into small pieces, 1 cup finely chopped onion. To add a little extra spice, add 2 finely chopped spicy green chilies. Now cook everything together on high flame, mixing well. Do not overcook the vegetables, just fry them briefly so that their crunchiness remains. As you can see, there is no water left in a pan now and the chicken is fully cooked. Keep the stuffing aside to cool completely. To seal the samosas, I have prepared a medium thick slurry using all-purpose flour and water. For stuffing, I have made samosa seeds at home, but you can also use store-bought samosa seeds if you prefer. Fold the sheet like this. First fold one corner, then keep folding 2 to 3 times as shown. With a little practice, you will be able to fold samosas easily. Once a corner is formed, add a small portion of stuffing first, so it settles properly at the bottom corner. Then fill the rest of stuffing. Using your finger, press and seal it properly, folding all sides neatly. Apply the slurry on the last open edge and seal the samosa firmly. Prepare all the remaining samosas in the same way. At this stage, you can also make them in larger quantities and refrigerate them if you want. Heat oil for deep frying. Use enough oil so the samosas can deep fry easily. First heat the oil on a high flame, then reduce to medium flame. Add 4 to 5 samosas at a time and fry them, turning occasionally until they become crispy and light golden brown. As you can see, the samosas are beautifully fried and ready. Fry the remaining samosas the same way. Serve the samosas with green chutney made with coriander, mint, green chilies, garlic, salt and tamarind. You can check the crispiness of the samosa and the stuffing has turned out absolutely delicious. When these samosas are served with spicy and tangy green chutney, you won't ever realize how quickly they disappear. So this Ramzan, do try this easy chicken samosa recipe and let me know in the comment how you liked it. If you enjoyed the recipe, like the video, share it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.